Hey there, welcome to our new video. Today we're tackling a common problem that many Windows users face when trying to create a secure volume. The problem at hand is how to prevent corruption in a Windows volume after a sudden power loss. It's crucial to ensure that any changes made are not saved to the base image to maintain data integrity. Let's dive into the solution. In the solution provided, we have two main approaches. The first solution involves using diskpart to set the volume as read-only. By following a few simple steps in an elevated chmd prompt, you can easily make your volume read-only to protect it from any unintended changes. Remember, a read-only volume can be a great way to prevent data corruption and maintain the integrity of your base image. Alternatively, another method suggested is to store your operating system and files on inherently write-protected media, such as a DVD or an SD card with a write protect switch. This physical write protection adds an extra layer of security to your data, ensuring that no changes can be made to the base image, even in the event of a power loss. In summary, whether you choose to use diskpart to set your volume as read-only, or opt for write-protected media, there are effective ways to prevent corruption in your Windows volume. By implementing these solutions, you can safeguard your data and ensure a stable and secure operating environment. Thanks for watching. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or any tech-related jokes you have in mind. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.